Attention! An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authority.
Attention, please. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator.
An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator. Emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator.
Repeat, do not use elevators.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, attention, please. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
Your attention, please. An emergency has been reported. Please stand by for further instructions while this is being verified.
attention, please. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator. Attention, please. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator.
Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators, use stairwells where necessary.